Hey guys, I am fishing here at Silver Lake again. Just got here. Look at this mother right here. 4-pounder. 4 pounds 4 ounces it came in at. Oh, what a fish. Put up a good fight on my ultralight. And here's the release. There he goes. 3.5 pounder. Here's a nice catch. A little rock bass. Tiny thing. Tiny fish. Let him go to let him grow. And there he goes. See you later, fella. Look at the size of this rock bass. What a monster. About as big as my hand. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. What a beast. Biggest rock bass I've ever seen and caught. Right here.